Yo, what is on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First things first, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So I'm actually about to be on my way to a car meet with a few buddies, and I thought I'd shoot this video really quickly for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this new carbon fiber GTS front lip that I installed on my E92. And so if you don't know by now, obviously I have the M3 Rep front bumper, but as y'all can see, I have some new carbon fiber up front, and I actually absolutely love the way this lip looks. So I can give you a close-up of the fitment. Now I want you guys to keep in mind, I bought this lip used, did not buy it new. This is from Colorado N5X. They're actually the ones that created this GTS style front lip for the M3 Replica bumper, but I bought it off of a guy who had an E92 335. He ended up totaling the car, and somehow this thing was salvaged off of it. The fitment overall still looks pretty stellar. I mean, it doesn't look absolutely perfect. Keep in mind, like I said, it was used, but it is legit 100% real carbon fiber slated over fiberglass, and I actually had it on here in perfect condition, but I ended up going to the post office to ship out a package for a customer. And basically what happened was this lip with the coilovers just sits so insanely low off the ground. I mean, you can see I have maybe an inch clearance, and now I scrape literally everywhere, but I ended up scraping the front lip in a huge divot, and it was so bad it actually pulled back and shattered the lip, and it looked way worse before. But now I actually went ahead and repaired it, and it honestly looks a lot better. And just showing y'all an overall like profile of the car, and I'll go ahead and do some little zoom in action just so you guys can see just how nice and how aggressive that looks. Don't mind my tow hook, it is a little crooked. I actually need to straighten that out right now, but just look overall at all the lines of the E92 and this M3 Rep bumper and how good that GTS style carbon lip makes this car look. And especially with the carbon fiber mirror caps, and these are legit carbon and everything else on the car, this front lip really does bring out the aggressiveness of the front end of the E92, and you can just see right here how sick it looks. And like I said, the fitment is not perfect. You see a tiny gap over here and then another tiny gap on the other side, but overall it fits really great. All I did basically was drill from the bottom. This lip already had pre-drilled holes in it. I'm not sure if it was from the previous owner or the manufacturer themselves, but I will say it was super easy to install. I just grabbed a whole bunch of those little 8mm fender screws and screwed in about 10 or 12 of them. And yeah, you guys can see right here, it just looks phenomenal. It looks low and it looks aggressive. But I really want to hear what you guys think of this front lip, and I really want your input on it. Comment down below if you think it accentuates how the car looks. And I think even better than this, I want to go ahead and get some real carbon side skirts, really to just make the car appear so much lower and just sit a lot more aggressively. But I think this lip is a huge dub for the front end of this car. But yeah, guys, this GTS style carbon fiber front lip really makes the whole front end of the car just look so much more aggressive, and it really fills in the front end and makes the E92 look aggressive from basically every angle, whether it's the side, the front side angle, etc. It just looks way better. And as you guys know, I do have coilovers on my car, and I will say with coilovers, even at my max setting, I definitely have to be very careful with this lip. I already cracked it and shattered it one time, and I had to repair it. So just be mindful of that when you're going over speed bumps, etc. You really have to map out how you drive the vehicle, because if you drive certain places that have huge inclines, you may end up scraping it. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase your own front lip, just like the one I have on my car. If you guys like the way how this carbon fiber front lip looks, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. Comment down below, I want to hear everything y'all have to say about it. And if you're not subscribed, go and smash the subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on all the videos to come. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.